Welcome to the lab. The setup right here is that we are injecting into the antenna inputs 1300, 1.3 megahertz. It's 1300 top end of the AM radio band. And if we tune, and we can hear it, we tune the dial, we lose it. So what this is telling us is that over here, when we tune the dial down here, I'm going to turn this. This is a local oscillator. The local oscillator, which is clipped right here, we're looking at that coil. The local oscillator is oscillating, is tracking something. And if we keep going up, we'll run into it. That voltage is 1000. I think it's 30 millivolts. Let me put in 30 millivolts, which is 0.03. Okay, that's 0.03 volts. 0.003 volts, you can hardly hear it. 0.5 volts, very loud. How about 20 millivolts? 30 millivolts. 40 millivolts. So we are hearing, we're seeing the local oscillator. We're seeing this signal. In fact, if I sweep it, my start frequency is 600, my end frequency will be 1500 kilocycles. My time will be, I'll make it at 0.25 of a second to sweep. You can hear it. I can hear it. Let me increase it to 1 volt. You can hear it sweeping very quickly. Even up on the shortwave, you can hear it. So basically, we don't know what's going on. The analysis is that the signal is coming in through the front end, and we can hear it, and it's tuning, it's tracking. The local oscillator is working, at least on the broadcast band. So what this tells us is that these two tubes here, which is RF, it's the RF amp and the first converter. There's a bunch of other things in there too. There's multiple sections. Local oscillator is working, but the RF amp is not working. And that could be because, again, of this switch. This push brushes, which we've cleaned, and then down there. It could be possible that it's not either cleaned enough or that it's not moving the contacts enough when you push the buttons. For example, this is shortwave. You go to shortwave, you lose a local oscillator. We go to FM. We're hearing a I don't know where the antenna input is for that, but I don't hear anything on there. So we're assuming that the front end, that turns it off. We're assuming the front end is not working. You gotta work on the front end. But the local oscillator is working, the converter is working, but the RF input is not working.